It's all about campfires and community and hanging out together. And it's just a wonderful way to have a great experience and enjoy other people's company.
My name is Jim from Chula Vista, California.
Yeah, Kathy, Chula Vista, California. I love the fact that we learned how to navigate roads that normally or in the past we would have turned away from. And now we have the courage and the knowledge to continue exploring these great and wonderful roads.
I think the favorite part of the trip for me was the second day where we really did some serious climbing up, climbing down with a lot of good instructions and beautiful, beautiful scenery from almost the desert plains to beautiful pine trees. Fantastic trip, fantastic. We loved it.
My favorite part of this trip was just seeing new scenery, exploring some tough terrain and overcoming it as a group, and just enjoying the camaraderie and the scenery, really. My van, so far, so good. The only flat tire is in my wheelchair, that's all. But that was easy fix.
Today, we will have an opportunity to use this gear, okay? I don't break vans on my tours, but know this, inherently, there are risks to off-road driving. Straps. So this is a strap, okay? A flat strap, standard duty tow strap. This is a rope. You can see the difference. One's flat, one's round.
It's amazing to me that a guy like Mike would get a list of names on a piece of paper and not know a damn thing about them, and willing to take them out on trail like this. Don't know us, don't know the vehicles, and will take us out here and get us through this.
We did have to sign a waiver.
Thank you, Kathy.
I wasn't going to mention that. I was gonna
Stay in contact with each other. It's always good to see these groups coming together. That's what gets me choked up, is just the magic I watch happen, over 3 days. Seeing you guys kind of grow, getting better and better and better at your skills. And I threw everything at you guys yesterday. Yeah. I'm reading the radio traffic, and it was all fun and chippy and cheery. I kind of say it like the Jurassic Park movie, where he's like, yeah, it starts off all fun and everybody's having a great time, and then next thing you know, they're screaming and running and yelling, and that's kind of what yesterday was. So thank you guys for following me through the desert.
It was awesome.